Look at the blue skies from our view at Luther Family Ford out to the east over there as we have a nearly full moon rising up in the sky. And it's happening at the same time as the sun is setting out to the west on our day. Hey, it's cold right now. We see this little pink blob right over the valley, and that's what we're doing to close up the weekend. We're going to see that warmer air up to the west make its way in. We've been watching and monitoring what looks like a midweek sock in the gut with some cold air and snow. Now, we'll have more information on that snow with this system here in just a bit, but the cold air certainly looks like it's on the way. We're going to have some wintry conditions as we go into next week. More on that in just a second. For right now, though, let's take a look at what you can expect. This Friday evening, it's 1 below zero, so we're falling pretty quickly here in the valley. North-northwest wind is only 6 miles per hour, but with air this cold, it's very wind chilly here. It is 2 below in Grand Forks, 3 below in Thief River Falls and in Baudette. Warmer air today in central Minnesota near the Brainerd Lakes area, as well as up towards Bemidji and Wadena. And as we look out to the west, temperatures a little warmer as well for you in Jamestown. The wind chills are the nastiest right here in the Red River Valley and Lakes country. We have those north winds that are upwards of 15 to 20 miles per hour. Pretty hard on the earlobes out there. Bundle up, cover exposed skin, because exposed to the cold air and the winds, that wind chill can rob your skin of heat and cause frostbite to set in mere minutes. Here's a look at the satellite and radar. We have very little to be concerned about here. Out to the west, there's a few more clouds, and those actually will keep things a little warmer out in our western areas. As we go through the overnight hours, the wind chills will be down between 10 and 30 below zero for many as we go through the early hours of the overnight. Temperatures continue to drop the most where skies remain clear. Notice those clouds out to the west by daybreak will be pushing into the valley. They come with some warmth, so temperatures going to dive early and then start rising thanks to a south wind and clouds along this warm front as we start our day. Because it is a warm front, because warm air is going to rise over the top of this Arctic molasses stuff that is sucked into the valley here. It's going to kick out a few flakes of snow here and there. Should be insignificant, but once again, maybe slippery in spots. Wind chills between 20 and 35 below first thing in the morning. But as we go through the day tomorrow, we'll have the clouds shifting east, sun pushing in to the west, at least a chance of it, and temperatures rising for our western counties. 15 to 25 out there as we go through the afternoon. Here in the valley, we'll be in the teens, and out to the east, we'll still be contending with those clouds and south winds along the leading edge of that warm front as it continues to work its way through. The snow chances and clouds will continue to move off to the east. So warmer weather for your Saturday, particularly in our western counties, with cool temperatures, but not nearly as cold for your Saturday night. In Fargo, temperatures will be rising as we go through the day. We'll start out below zero, but we'll quickly see them jump into the mid-teens for our afternoon, with south winds at 5 to 15 miles per hour. In the evening, temperatures calm back down into the lower teens, but nothing too chilly, too quick. We'll see a fair amount of clouds as well across our area tomorrow, with temperatures in the 20s for Jamestown, Valley City, and possibly in the Maddock and New Rockford areas. Temperatures 15 to 20 in Lakes Country, but a lot of us in the teens. Here is a look at the beautiful rising sun in Iowa. Austin, thanks for sharing your icy view of Iowa there. We have viewers across the country. Thanks for sharing your photos, Austin. Here's a look at Sunday, still in the teens. Quiet weather continues. Monday, well, we'll have a chance of a few flurries continued into Tuesday as temperatures warm into the 20s. And then Wednesday, the snow no longer looks like a significant deal, but the cold air does. Arctic air will be moving in Wednesday, falling temperatures well below zero then to close out the work week. So another battle with some Arctic air as we push through the week. But the good news is the potential for areas of heavy snow seem to be greatly reduced.
There you go. That's the good news we needed heading into the weekend.
Absolutely.
All right. Newly